cost of 5 sets of 4 ball point pen, I'll be saying B, and 3 ink pen is same as a cost of 4 sets of 3 ball point plus 5 ink pen. So I'll say 20B plus 15I is equal to 12B plus 20I. I'll be saying 8B is equal to 5I. I'll say B upon I is equal to 5 by 8. So I know ink pen is certainly costlier than the ball pen. So I'm saying yes, by statement 1, I'm going to get my answer. Let's talk about second one. 6 times of 6 ball point pen, 4 ink pen is same as 12 sets of 3 ball point pen and 2 ink pen. I'll say this is 36B plus 24I is equal to 36B plus 24I. I'll get nothing from here. Both of them are equated. I'll say only statement 1 is sufficient to get the answer, not a statement. So everyone is giving, I don't know why everyone is giving me the option 2. Answer will